Interrupted with the Fruity Video Player 64 Library DLL blocking image line workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Fruity Video Player 64 Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Fruity Video Player 64 Library, the 64-bit localized video processing engine for FL Studio. It facilitates the real-time localized synchronization of video playback with the DAW's audio project timeline, allowing sound designers to perform localized frame-accurate scoring. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. When Fruity Video Player 64 Library DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Fruity Video Player 64 Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Fruity Video Player 64 Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Fruity Video Player 64 Library. Thank you for trusting us with Fruity Video Player 64 Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.